Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name is Charlotte and today I'll be taking you around this approved used 2021 Audi A1 Sportback S-Line edition, complemented in the desired Mythos Black paintwork, housing your efficient S-Tronic transmission and delivering 110 PS. This is an ideal nippy city runaround, all perfect as a first car, with plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your LED headlights and sitting comfortably on your 17-inch alloy wheels with the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors. Moving into the boot area, you do have enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the part leather upholstery offers a comfort and style with of course your fitted ISOFIX points to assist when installing car seats, followed in the front by the convenience of your S multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display and the modernised edge of your S embossed badging. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your virtual cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, audio and even your navigation for unfamiliar areas, and the added protection of your speed limiter and cruise control. Moving across, you do have a wide selection of radio stations and of course a Bluetooth connection to stay connected on the go. And as previously shown, you do also have your navigation to help you around those unfamiliar areas. For added safety, you do have your driving assistance features alongside a tailored driving experience with your Audi Drive Select, complete with your efficiency mode. You do also have your main climate controls located below with the added bonus of a wireless charging pocket, power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.